You give your salary to me?
People, welcome back sa ating channel. So ngayon ay Wednesday and magla-lunch break kami ni Mike. It is currently 12 na ng noon. Wala si Paris today guys kasi nag-childcare siya. So pakita ko sa inyo yung suot natin guys. Oh, di ba? Colorful tayo ngayon kahit winter. So today is third day of winter. Ayan. Pero ito yung suot ko guys. Maglalagay ako ng makapal na jacket on top. Para naman, kahit winter, mukhang stylish pa rin tayo. Hindi tayo mukhang basura. Alis na tayo kasi tinatawag na tayo ni Don. Come on, Daddy. Let's go. Oh, should I take my camera with me? So, ayan na guys. Sabi ni Mike, huwag ko na dadalhin yung camera ko. Dalhin ko kayo para mag-checka-checka tayo. So, ayan yung sinuot ko guys. Oh, para medyo warm naman tayo. Oh, hawak tayo ng kamay. Bumuka talaga ko kayo. But, it's very bright guys. Hindi ko kayo makita. It's very bright, which is really good. So, sunny siya, pero maginaw. Pero winter na sa amin guys, sa Melbourne. Maginaw na siya. I think like today is maximum 13, Daddy?
No idea.
I thought you know everything. Yan, naglalakad na kami guys, papuntang shops. And sobrang ginaw guys, hindi ako nakapag-vlog there before kasi very mahangin. Pero tong road na to, hindi siya masyadong mahangin. Yung mukha ko parang nagnanam na siya sa ginaw. Tingnan niyo si Daddy guys, oh naka-puffer jacket siya. Ito pala yung binili niya kahapon from H&M. Is it the one, Daddy? Pakita na niya yung hair niya guys. Siya, Daddy. Kasi nagpagupit siya kahapon guys. And ayan. Pero yung sides lang yung pinagupitan niya. Kasi gusto niyang magkaroon ng manban. So medyo mahaba yung dito. And show your kilay, Daddy. Your eyebrow. Have a look guys. He got his eyebrow threaded. Sana all my kilay. Sana all my kilay kasi ako guys dinodrawing ko lang ang aking kilay guys. Kasi na-overpluck ko before nung nasa Pilipinas ako, 'di ba? Kasi huy, kasaba ba kan yung mga ibon? Very noisy birds. So before guys sa Pilipinas, 'di ba year 2000, yung kilay is the thinner it is the better. Kaya yun yung nangyari sa kilay ko, rest in peace. Kaya ngayon, I'm just relying on the eyebrow pencil. Pero kay Daddy guys, very makapal bitaw siya. Very nice yung sa kanya. Kaya pag na-thread, yung shape niya is on flick talaga. So, kaya nga kay Paris guys, kasi Paris got like the full brows. Sabi ko, hindi ko talaga ipapatouch yan. Yung kilay niya. This white shirt guys is also brand new from, was it from H&M as well, Daddy?
Yeah.
Kasi nga diba, he didn't work yesterday. He's got a day off and he went on shopping spree. So he also got Paris 2 pairs of sneakers. Pero ako guys, wala. Kasi he asked me if I want anything and I said, nah, I'm good. Oh, diba, ang bait ng atin you guys. Super bait, ayaw magpabili. Kahit sa isip ko guys, marami akong gusto. We went on a shopping spree yesterday, Daddy. Was it your pay? Sweldo mo, Daddy?
Huh?
Sweldo? Is it your sweldo?
My what?
Sweldo is salary pay.
No, it's yours.
Huh?
Yours.
What yours?
Your salary, not mine. Shopping with your money.
Shopping siya kahapon guys. Sweldo siguro sa Kuya. Hindi kasi yung sweldo ni Mike guys is fortnightly. So, every 2 weeks. Yung sa akin ay monthly guys. Kaya pag araw ng sweldo ay bongga. maraming ginagawa, maraming binibili. But after that, wala na ibugas for the whole month. Gotta cross the road. Kasi meron silang ginagawa dyan na footpath. Dito is wala namang daanan. Green grass of home lang dito. Laki ng bahay guys. One day makakabahay din kami. Char. Hindi naman masama mag-dream. Laki ng mga bahay dito guys. See? Meron pa silang basketball court.
Yeah, hi Nan and hi. It's Michael, just saying hi.
Ako guys, nag-shopping din ako sa mga ganyan, mga H&M, mga bongga ng mga shops. But I still prefer the okay guys. And I can't wait na mag-open sila ulit kasi nga dahil sa pandemic ngayon, they are closed still, I think. Hopefully by next week. Uy, sumatawa to. By next week, mag-open na sila kasi gusto ko talagang mag-okay guys. Ito guys, ito siya. Itong suot ko ngayon. Galing to sa okay. Pero the rest is hindi. Pero gustong gusto ko talaga yung okay guys. Kasi pag pumupunta ako doon, marami akong nadadala. Marami akong nabibili ba sa aking $100. Kumpara sa pag pumunta ako ng mga malalaking mall, konti lang yung mabibili ko sa pera ko guys. Pero marami akong nakikita sa guys, no, sa YouTube. Yun bang binibigay ba sa akin ni Mr. yung sweldo niya? Daddy.
Yeah.
So I've seen a few YouTube videos about if my husband is giving me his salary.
Yeah.
Because it's kind of like in the Filipino culture that, you know, the man goes to work and then he comes home and then gives the money to the wife and the wife does the budgeting.
Okay.
So do you give your salary to me?
No. And that's probably because I think that I'm better at budgeting than you. And more responsible. But secondly, we do have a joint savings account.
Yeah.
Which you've got full access to.
True.
But yeah, no. Like I don't give my full salary to you.
Yeah, so there you go guys. There's the answer. So both Mike and I are working, so we have our own money. I keep mine, he keep his. So hindi niya talaga binibigay sa akin yung salary niya guys. And but there's one thing though. Mike and I have a, what was the word, ma'am? Joint savings account. So both kaming dalawa nakaka-access doon. So it means nandun pa rin yung pera namin. Hindi talaga yung sa akin ay akin lang and sa'yo ay sa'yo lang. Hindi ganun. Kasi meron naman kaming savings both. So pag may sweldo ako, naglalagay ako ng pera doon. And si Mike, pag nagsweldo siya, nilalagyan niya yung pera, yung savings account namin. But most of the time, si Mike talaga yung may malaking pera doon.
Yes.
Yes. Agree siya guys.
Agree. 100.
Ayan na si Mike. Kami hot chocolate.
Tea.
Ha?
Tea.
Tea. Ayan, hot chocolate guys and soy latte para sa kanya.
Tea.
Let's drink. Alas 5 na, so pick upin ko na ang ating baby girl from the childcare. And ayun si Mike guys, ayaw niya ako samahan. So he's staying home kasi gusto niyang mag-gym. So, ako lang yung magpipick up kay Paris. And, ayun na naman ang ating mga computer is open pa rin siya kasi kailangan pa nating mag-work mamaya. Ayan. Fine ko. Enjoy your gym.
Thank you, Bobby.
Bye. Show Mama where your bag is. Yay! We're looking for her bag. Open. Show Mama your bag, B. Where? Take your bag. Oh, careful, no? Careful. Is that your bag? How about your water bottle? Find your water bottle. B, Mama will carry it. Find your water bottle. Alam na niya, guys, kung saan hanapin. Oh, which one is yours? Oh, is that yours? What's the color of your water bottle, Baba?
Blue.
Blue? That's right. Ito may iniisip ko, guys. Oh. Wow, drinking water. We'll go home now? Go home now? Come on, Daddy is waiting.
My up.
Mami, up. Ito yung mga ano nila dito sa room, guys. Oh. Okay. Ayan, mga laruan nila. Mga arts. Ganyan. So, nai-enjoy talaga sila dito. Say bye-bye, jellyfish.
And jellyfish. Okay.
Jellyfish is okay. Is it okay?
Look.
Look.
Look at jellyfish.
Paris is home now, guys. She's having juice. What are you having now? Have a look at her face. Are you a cat? Have a look at your face in the mirror, Nak. Mama will show you, huh? Here, Well, Mama will show your face in the mirror. Have a look. Nak. What happened to your face?
The blue tongue.
Huh?
Blue.
Blue. Blue tongue.
Blue tongue.
What happened? Ayan, pinapanood niya sarili niya sa ano, guys, oh.
Look.
Mirror.
Look.
Look. Blue tongue. What are you having now?
The blue tongue.
What's this one? Juice?
Baby.
What kind of juice is it?
Big. H.
Orange. That's right. Is that yummy? Did you say thank you to Daddy, Nak? Daddy bought that for you. Nak, you have to say thank you to Daddy, Nak.
Shopping.
Huh?
Go shopping.
Yeah, we went shopping to buy that before.
This is go shopping.
Yeah.
Buy tea.
Buy juice. Say thank you, Daddy.
Buy tea.
Say thank you, Daddy. We'll wash your face then, ha? Kamara kag iring. Say thank you, Daddy.
Go shopping. Buy tea.
Buy tea, yes. What would you like to watch?
And do.
What would you like to watch?
Epic.
Huh? iPad. What would you like to watch?
Epic. Epic.
Ano sa lagi mong tanawon? Peppa Pig or Blippi? Which one? Which one? Bulingit pa kanina muna ka. Time check. It is currently 9:57 ng gabi. Ayan. So, ngayon lang ako ulit nakapag-vlog, mga friends, kasi pinatulog ko si Paris. She has to be early tomorrow para sa childcare niya. Kaya, she has to go to bed early. Anyways, nakahilamos na ako, guys. And yung gagawin ko lang ngayon is mag-night skincare routine na naman tayo. So, kanina guys, nung naglakad-lakad kami ni Mike, hindi ko natapos yung check ako kasi sobrang mahangin and hindi nyo ko naririnig kasi wala akong, ano nga ang tawag nun guys, yung microphone, hindi yung microphone, dead cut ba yun guys? Yung parang, kahit nasa labas ka mahangin, clear pa rin yung boses mo, hindi ko alam kung ang tawag dun. But anyways, so hindi ko na pinagpatuloy yung aking story kanina because of that. And ngayon is, tangtangin natin ang ating antipara and hindi ko na kayo nakikita. Ngayon wala na akong antipara guys. Hindi ko na kayo makita. Very blurry na kayo dyan. Kasi si ate niyo ay bulag. Hindi talaga ako nakakita pag wala akong contact lens or glasses guys. So yun na nga guys, ipagpapatuloy ko yung story namin kanina ni Mike about sa kung binibigay ba ni Mike sa akin yung sahod niya. So the answer for that was no. Kasi nga 'di ba, na-explain ko na konti, both Mike and I are working. So meron kaming sahod, kaming dalawa. But even though hindi binibigay ni Mike sa akin yung sahod niya, guys, I have no problem with it. Like, seriously, 0% problem about it. Kasi nga, di ba, both Mike and I are responsible sa mga babayarin namin and all. And na-mention din namin kanina that we have a joint bank account, yung savings. So, yung pera namin dalawa ay nasa isang place pa rin. Ayan. So, we can access it anytime. Pero hindi namin na-access yun, guys. Kasi nga, savings nga, di ba? So, hindi namin ginagamit. And, pero sa savings na yun, guys, si Mike talaga yung mas maraming nalalagay kasi mas malaki man yung sahod ni Mike kaysa sa akin. And also, Mike get paid every 2 weeks and si ate nyo, I get paid every month. Kaya once lang ako makapaglagay ng pera dun, guys. So, kami ni Mike, never ever talaga kami nag-away tungkol sa pera. Wala talaga. Wala kaming ganyanan. Wala kaming anong binibili mo sa pera mo o anong ginagawa mo sa pera mo, ganun. Wala kaming ganun, guys. Kasi alam namin kaming dalawa, we are very responsible pagdating sa pera, guys. Hindi kami talaga gumagastos ng more than what we earn. So, pag bumibili kami, nagsha-shopping kami, na mga ganyan-ganyan, nakikita nyo naman sa vlog namin, nagsha-shopping kami, we only get yung kaya namin. Yung hindi talaga kami bumibili ng mga bagay na kailangan pa namin gamitin yung credit card namin. Hindi kami ganon. Tapos na tayong mag-toner. So, yung i-apply ko ngayon is yung serum. Bago ko pala to binili, guys, from eBay. Ayan, oh. Pure Vitamin C Serum. So, ang tagal ko nang hindi nakapaggamit ng serum, guys. It's good that I'm back at it again. Uy. Ibabalik ko lang yung glasses ko kasi para makita ko kayo. Ayan, klarong-klaro ko na kayo. Iba na talaga pag matanda na, guys. Uy, hindi na nakakita. Ayan. So, feeling fresh na tayo niyan. So, i-end ko na yung vlog natin dito ngayon, guys. Kasi, ayan o. Ayan, 10:05 na siya. So, it's getting late. We have to go to bed. So, magsha-shoutout na tayo, guys, ha? So, first shoutout natin goes to... Shoutout to Catherine Irojo, Marilyn Drudge, Jess Shill, Gina Soles, Ginalin's World, Rosette Pasyente, Cherry Ho. So, bago natin siyang subscriber. Hello, Day! Welcome sa ating channel. Shout out to Rosemary Ramoir, Jessa Mahinay, bago din siyang subscriber, welcome. Shout out to Filipina British couple, Cindy Tan, Binji Canonio. Shout out to Rose and Jade Bowe. Shout out to Joy Fam, hello. Shout out to Oaklets TV. Gustong-gusto ko talaga yung comment niya, guys. Sabi niya, oh, "Hi sis, how are you? I like your vlog, sis. You speak very calm." Ayan. I'm watching from Saudi. Hello, sis. Welcome sa ating channel. And shout out to Chas Vlog. Shout out to Odessa Donghill, Little Miss Isay, The Richmonds, Marisol Dayao, Junray Gikan, The Inday Oling Story, Red Sibyal. Hello, Day. Shout out to Joanne Ambe, Janet Gordon, Joy Pangan, Chariza Onables, Rosario Sabalie, Lizelle Iga, Kimberly Lapernina, Cherry Macarilay, Richard Antiga, EJ's Vlog, Amelita Zayas, and Loving Woman. So, yun lang yung shoutout natin for tonight, guys. Thank you very much for watching our video. As always, I appreciate you all. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also hit that subscribe button to be a part of this family. And I hope to see you all guys in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't, be careful. Bye!